Hey you, what's good? So, my $1 million exit plan for this cycle. Now, and I know what you're going to say. Silly, why are you talking about selling? The bull market just began. What are you talking about? Well, two things. First, uh, let me explain. Whenever you buy, you need to have a plan when you're going to sell. When are you going to take profits? If you fail to plan, your plan is to fail. Okay? That's simple. Secondly, bull market has been on since 2023, even in the beginning, January 2023. We did our buying at 17 to 23k Bitcoin price. So, good news is that it's not late. It's not too late. You're not too late to the party. Yes, you're late, but that's like fashionably late. So, you're good with that. There is still plenty of time, plenty of opportunities, so you're all good. My plan is to sell this year. I am not waiting on 2025. No, I actually feel horrible about 2025. I feel better about 2026 because then I'm actually willing to buy again, at least what's technical analysis concerned. But I'm willing to change when the charts change. Now, uh, what are my indicators when I'm going to take profits? Well, I'm going to follow several things: RSI, MACD, Fear and Greed. I'm going to follow a Granny Index, Taxi Driver Index. I'm going to follow Celebrity Endorsement Index. Mainstream news, especially guides. When you see guys on the news, how to buy Bitcoin, get into this Bitcoin thing, then you know it's bad. The sour milk has gone to 11, okay? You need to get out when that happens. So I will start when several of these indicators are flashing at the same time. So, are they flashing now? No, they're not. So may we have a flush out or two? Yes, perhaps. Maybe not. You never know. Markets are unpredictable, and some things are just probable, some unprobable. We don't know. So, what's the plan here? To be honest, when you're selling, there are a few things. Some people say that Bitcoin is for their grandkids. They're not selling at all. You mustn't sell this asset. Well, this philosophy works for people who are super rich. I know, because they have some spare income to sustain their lifestyle, but most people struggle to make ends meet. So they need to pay rent and other things. So those people need to take advantage about those or using those ups and downs. So you're willing to sell near top and you're willing to pull the trigger and buy at the bottom area, as we were doing 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So now I understand that if you take profits, you need to allocate those funds into some other assets, because you need to preserve your wealth somehow. Sadly, there is no other hard asset besides Bitcoin. So you kind of need to take a chance on keeping some of it in fiat when another bear market arrives, okay? So that's the scary part. The other thing is that you need to trust your bank while this part is taking place. You need to keep your fiat in the bank because you don't want to keep it in centralized exchanges or stable coins. That is risky business, and you don't want to trust third parties anyway. But at least your bank has you covered, because this is like governments need to keep their citizens safe. Otherwise, you need to get maybe an apartment so you don't have to pay rent. You don't need to be the slave for the bank. Okay, this is your other chance. But my rule number 1 in my book that you downloaded free yesterday is, as always or ever been, never to sell everything at once, never to buy with everything at once. Meaning that you always have some stake invested in Bitcoin. Now I know that this video is about, selling and stuff, and I'm a bit slow because I'm under medication here, pain medication I tried today. Still doesn't work, so tomorrow I'm not going to take any. But otherwise, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like, smash that bell, and if you dare, subscribe as well. I'm Silly Lamas, and thanks for watching. Till next time.